Don't they look pretty in here? And then the Weasel looks really pretty down there, too.
Take us down there.
Trying to get the skid steer and take some steel out of the shop and get some things cleaned up. It's good to go if you can.
What you doing, Patrick?
Opening something.
So we're working on a planetary drive, cleaning it up, which looks absolutely perfect.
Here we are back to the down and dirty, cleaning greasy parts.
Why don't you wire wheel it real good and we'll grab a nut and see if it'll go on there. And if it goes, we'll use it. Wire wheel. Making lots of noise. I think these are weasels. The sort of magic weasel parts over there. You know what that is?